for the first, I will use the peach color in the eye corner and also use under my eyes. And don't forget to blend it. After that, I'm gonna make straight down eyeliner. Don't forget to apply your mascara and clip your eyelashes to make your eyelashes look long and curly. I apply more mascara to make it thicker. And the other side, I'm gonna make little bit Korean smoky eyes. I use brown color on the eye corner. And use a peach color on the front of the eye. And in the middle, I use Shimmering nude color. After that, I apply eyeliner. Oops! And I make it a little bit longer. And apply mascara and clip your eyelashes. And for the blush on, I put peach color to make my face look fresh. And the last, I will use lip tint or lip cream. So this is my Korean eye makeup tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share.